aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winna no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winna no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi
Right, and a special day in Ghana. I translate a brass song say Najmadi at the Sinupi. Yet to me at the Ebrel on Kumawood TV. Yat translate Evenyamre na yet to me Edding Komo and Shannon song. Say Yebesinupi. I don't see Yarea could ye work COVID-19 area a Kumunipa or Ghana pa and then Yamiadom Wachaye one medical officer. And then Wufia ha and the bidding combo. And unfortunately, was I aspiring parliamentary candidate hopeful for NPP Old Tafo constituency in Ashanti region. And the bidding combo now for year NDC and I think and oh my Ghana Zebibri and to me SC so far Mino Caseno I dare say COVID-19 Yariano Gusua ATM who we said that be a transit me at the Emma Wono Shannon say if we are singing the Padoano and I areno a kumwomo na ebimonsono sort of mumpaso akakodi be before one I areno and they globally akawomo we are singing 5,734,689 5,734,689 omo any one yare no atumi aka omo ewo ewiase enyina wana wawu ewo yare imu eye 354,184 omo ene wana bibinti yare no ka omo a omo ntumi antrasie na owato na ewo siedo. But the good news is that enye obi anso na yare no ka no you know everything what as is Yareni Kanwa na Nyamiadom enya enkwanti omo survival through the infection of coronavirus no 2,466,841 2,466,841 omo ne womo a yareni bika omo na nso Nyamiadom omo etumi ato omo so far still no ano US of A and a lady with the both the death to any infections no US LED followed by Brazil and Canada Brazil the chikra in Brazil about second about to Spain about to France any Germany any other countries Brazil na about Russia na Spain about UK Italy France Germany Turkey India Iran Peru Canada and China area no if you Wuhan eba no omo 14th position our world based on infection rates oba bibremu no so a eguso yare no edi ewu pa ewo bibremu na bibremu no my Ghana 63rd globally e dey kwa 63rd but then oba Morocco tuye ewa ha and then obehwe Ghana infection no 7,117 7,117 and one my yare no bi aye ewo my Ghana death to 34 omo mawuo no 34 Ghana omo mo ato omo 2,317 in the wide deductions no a na say nipa no do no ho to omo a so de ya na ya ne say mabunu no e bia na wo de immune system no very strong what is some ampani aka health officers aka directors aka doctors aka sɛ wɔn a yare no ekum wɔn paa no 34 no dodoɔ no ano ɛyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ yare foforɔ bi ɛwɔ mu nipadua mu nti ebia na wɔde immune system no yɛ but na wɔ fa bi ɔnana bi ne immune system no ɛnyɛ ɛyɛ very weak ɔwɔ other underlying health conditions ɛkɔyɛ ne kɔba ne saa na wɔkɔfa yare no de ba ebia ne bɛka no no na ebɛwuo ɛno dɛ bia no etufoɔ na yɛsrɛ wɔ sɛ bɔ ho ban sɛ de bɛyɛ wɔn mfa nkɔnkɔ san obi na ɔno nso ɛnhwɛ ne nkwa yɛatena se ebɛnya mmerɛ na yɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ so far test a yɛakɔndakte ɛwɔ man Ghana 203,383 test ɛne yɛakɔndakte ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana na ɛnɛ yi baabi ayɛ hotspot paa ɛde ama yare COVID-19 ɛnka ne na yɛ tema electoral commission the electoral commission ɛnɛ yi IPAC meeting ɛba so na the NDC ɛne UFP amanyɔkuo no ɔmo ankɔ the NDC fo ankɔ no yɛtena se yɛbɛnya mmerɛ na yɛtumi adi ho nkɔmmɔ but then still talking about the electoral commission no odika kasa ɛnɛ ɔmo mo committee ni bi a ɔmo yɛ presidential candidate for other political parties no yɛn bɛdi nkɔmmɔ yɛkasa mfoni yi so na wɔtumi ate deɛ kɔɔ soɔ ɛwɔ meeting ase yɛntwi ɛhomra yɛba Dr. Emmanuel Obeng ɛyɛ ɔpani a nyame ayɛ n'adom ɔno atumi abie no hospital ɛwɔ Tafo wɔse ɔyɛ MPP ni tie MPP fo nto abama no MPP Ashanti region wɔn a ɔmo yɛ medical officers a ɔmo kɔ baabi a obi yare ne ade a ɔmo tumi boa etumi so saa nkrɔfo no mu no ɔka ho bi ɛne bɛdi nkɔmmɔ on COVID-19 ɛne the vision for the people of Old Tafo constituency yɛmra sisia
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winnalo baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winnalo baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winnalo baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winnalo baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby
Right, yes, I'm Wababa, Ebra, Sinupi, on Kumawu TV. Ye din komo Senason say on Multi TV and obetimi ahwe live na sanso na oko Facebook Kumawu TV on YouTube Sam Dakus TV Facebook obe like and wa share na ofo so etimi ahwe bi ego so ye din komo ene ewukria on the 7th of May bosomi no Nyankopon adom ode ko akra nti ade a chie sei ne atrasese no na ye din komo on COVID-19 mensa aka Dr. Emmanuel Obeng NPP Nimapa or a member of the NPP Manyuku no or medical team Ashanti region sanso na uyinu free wa ojina ewo otafo hono ese akunya dampan enti nyame adom na bi maako num na omu ejina se yento omo so aba oye health officer edie ye ne din komo on COVID-19. Obani kase akwaba
ya ni aminia
do ko de
Nyankopon adom ye ho ye
last time for facility wo ba manyi me ho di anchiro
o sa
fi se me no din komo obire bi baabi ma o kan se wa fa nipa bi number bi aboye so me sheda ba ho be say is it true say unya meye MP kura no wanya nkrofo bi sa afa nkrofo bi adwuma ono mo ye adwuma na when I came there I was impressed mo about say mo so mo bo aban no private sector say sa de be kan no
private sector
na so far campaign ko say
o nyame adom campaign ekoye pa wo hwese ne a ye hyase party mpanifo edema ye say ye hyase na ye campaign na me start ye ne de nyame adom obia because masamo a me ka e kire wo no mo tie na mo hu say mene onipa se akoto eni ho a metumi ahye ne mpaboa ama magina sa mpaboa no so e dia nante nti campaign no koyi pa
but say times na man for tables say Emmanuel Obeng wona hwan tafo de yinimne sa
amanfo no busa no ebia na omo ntitafo ho na se ka se Dr. Emmanuel Obeng me ankasa no me obi a maye adwuma e wo tafo G different tafo G no different tafo hospital maye adwuma wo ho na me ankasa so me professional nurse
okay
me ti hoyi nti me ko nursing training no wo konfo anochi nti ewie no ene de ko tepa ko tepa no ho so MPP no ko di mo akoten nti if you are investing in school kekos na I'm specializing in mental health. Okay.
Omo adwene mu kan
omo adwene mu kan
if you have so be adwene mu kan na bit nya boa pa
enye se be refi ha me nam kura
okay
sa adwuma no usua eboa wo driver fo a omo adwene mu kan wo hunu oba ben kura tim se akwa we na ne na se eni obi a ono kura etwa ka akwa mu kura no ono so hunu se
by say scientifically every human being be are no a level of mental
oh yes indeed true because one say it depends situation no situation be any senia or react one say dogs e wo fear one say oda hudin ohunu aboa bi a e no react ohunu nipa o say no react ohunu konfo a o say no it say na human being so etie mentally no say asem bi to a and now who send or react. Now it's like mental health, no. I say ability to solve problem. Okay. Send you over solve problem, no. And yes, I'm solve no. It be a problem would soon the best solve. And so my problem be I'm the subject in the best solve. It I never mental health also no. I make up be brave. And you know, a Kuban say we call Kipus watching no. And the sound so a court to so University for Development Studies. Okay. yɛno na ɛala wo ɛma wo sɛ ɔyɛ nurse a wotumi prescribe nti ɛno na meyɛ ya no san ɛba Kumase ɛno mebɛhɛde mental health unit ɛwɔ Ashanti region na meyɛ regional coordinator for mental health. Ashanti region nyinaa medi no for 5 to 6 years ne nyinaa so na mesan so ɛwɔ Tafo Gia na mekɔba ɛna yɛsɛ mea mebibie me hospital nti no ɛwɔ mu a na yɛsɛ mesan so ɛkɔ m'anim ɛna mekɔ ɛyɛ medical school ɛwɔ Ukraine. Ɛma metumi ɛma nnɛ wotumi frɛ me doctor no nti obi a mayɛ nursing na mayɛ adwuma wɔ government hospital na masan bie me hospital na mea nso masan akɔyɛ medicine wotumi sɛ mekura nneɛma bebree na adwene no nso a ɛwɔ health mu no menim bebree ɛno nti nipa bebree no ɛnni me wɔ Tafo Pankrɔ no sɛ meyɛ obi a sɛbe madwene mu adɔ a sɛ ɔmo de akonnwa no hyɛ me nsa a metumi ayɛ nti wei ne obi a wonni me koraa no kakra
na woyɛ MPP ni
me nua MPP ɛyɛ MPP foɔ paa because ɛyɛ MPP foɔ a me ne me yere me mma mabusua nyinaa ɛyɛ MPP foɔ ɛna yɛstarte MPP no ɔsɛ me kasa meka Kɔmfanoche bra yɛkɔ Kɔmfanoche no ɛna yɛhyɛ aseɛ that time Dr. Anane ɔsɛ sɛ tam na Bantama yɛ Florida nti sɛ tam Kufuor time na yɛne Dr. Anane no campaign na yɛ nyinaa yɛmu yɛkɔba nti Dr. Anane no nyinaa kɔɔyɛ no ɛna yɛde kɔ Tepa nti firi hɔ no a yɛkɔbaeɛ no na ɛsɛ yɛsan so ɛbɛtoa so Kumase free Kumase a yɛyɛ adwuma wɔ Tafo no nyinaa no na yɛ support MPP medical team baabi ɛbɛkɔ biara no sɛ MPP medical team no akɔyɛ biribi te sɛ ɛnte sɛ woyɛ MPP organizer woyɛ organizer a wogyina simpie so anaasɛ yɛyɛ biribiara na nnipa ɛhu ba sɛ yɛyɛ conference anaa yɛyɛ congress anaa yɛyɛ rally na obi yɛ ntwa ahwe a wanhwɛ a wonhu sɛ medical team bi wɔ hɔ wanhwɛ ambulance wɔ koraa wanhwɛ a wonhu no because sɛ wonyare a wanhwɛ a wonkɔ hospital enti yɛn na sɛ yɛkɔ baabiara na yɛn nso yɛdi akyire even ɔn sɛ president koraa ɛretwa mu a medical team ɛka ho na sɛ yare bi ansi a wanhwɛ a wonhu sɛ medical team ɛka ho mama ma wo mfato bi na yɛwɔ north by election baako a yɛshutu nipa bi a professor Frimpong Boateng wɔde ne kɔɔ the district hospital ɛkɔyi aboba na ɛwɔ mu no sanke yɛnshutu nipa na nka wo sɛ professor Frimpong Boateng ka ho nka obi a nte saa da but ne nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ MPP medical team ebi ɛbɛkɔ biara yɛwɔ ayɛ te sɛ organs a ɛhyɛ nipa yɛ mu yi organs a ɛhyɛ nipa yɛ mu deɛ yɛnhu no yɛn na ɛmɛ nipa no ɛtena ase wɔn nsa deɛ sɛ wɔn nsa yɛhunu wɔn nsa yɛhunu wɔn nan nti wonya accident kɔ na yɛtwa wɔn nan a yɛtwa wɔn nsa a wotumi nante nso wonya accident na sɛ yɛtwa wakoma ɛna de sɛ wɔn ɛtete a na tete wɔ kidney tete a na tete wɔ spleen ɛtete a na tete nti no MPP medical team yɛn akɔyɛ biribi te sɛ the internal organs a yɛwɔ MPP nti yɛka ho paa yɛka ho
yɛnimu fitete
yɛnimu fitete
na wokɔɔ no message bɛna de ma delegate
bisi ɔmo ankasa no obi a yɛnim no awia no yɛnsɔ kanea ɛnhwɛ n'anim anadwo ɔmo nim sɛ adwuma no a mɛsɛ mɛyɛ no bɛtumi ayɛ nti no ɔmo nhia message kaseɛ biara ɛmfiri me hɔ because ɔn sɛ wo ne wo MP wɔ hɔ a ɛdeɛ na apɛ sɛ wo MP ɛnyɛ wopɛ sɛ wohunu wo MP de biara na sɛ ɔkɔ akra koraa ba a wohunu na woka w'asɛm ɛkyerɛ no na asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a ɔde kɔ parliament ɛma wo na ɔno nso tumi bɛbrifu deɛ asi wɔ parliament ɛne woka sɛ mete hɔ nom nti me no matena 23 years masi me fie wɔ hɔ me yere ne me ma me biribiara wɔ hɔ nti omo nim sɛ daabi onipa wei yɛde no ɛkɔ parliament sɛ onkosi yɛ anan a ɛbɛyɛ yie ɛsɛ yɛne nnɛte yɛhia na nopa yɛhia na nimmerɛ yɛhia na wia ɔwɔ hɔ ɔmo sɛ nipa yɛkɔ yɛbɛ nyinaa no sɛ na wobɛnya adwuma ayɛ na wo nsa akɔ wano employment nti menkɔyɛ koraa no menyɛ mp menyɛ minister menyɛ mce sɛ wo sɛ woaba me hospital hwɛ hospital a 1 man nko a bɛtumi asi a mafa nipa 161 a metwi ɔmo ka cleaners doctors drivers obiara metwi ɔmo ka ɛna me no kasa yɛ 2017 wobɛbusa me staff obiara ɛnsa aka no pay na ne nyinaa no obiara nim sɛ menkɔyɛ mpo no hwɛ employment a mede aba community no hwɛ employment a mede ama youth no hwɛ employment a mede ama nurses a mede ama doctors nti ɛneɛ ɔmo pia me na ɔmo de me kɔ a ɛbɛyɛ bebree because ɔmo ahu sɛ menyɛ greedy meyɛ obi a na nka meyɛ adwuma wɔ government hospital no na nka yɛ me nko a ɛna megye pii me nko a ɛna mehwɛ me yere ne me ba but menya ahoɔden no mede abɛyɛ biribi ama obi anya ho mfasoɔ deɛ a ɛneɛ ɔmo nso de me bɛkɔ na ɔmo de me kɔ a deɛ tie biara no ɔmo bɛnya ho mfasoɔ nti ɔmo ahu sɛ youth no bɛnya me ho mfasoɔ nkɔkora bɛnya me ho mfasoɔ mmerewa bɛnya me ho mfasoɔ ama obi biara ama npp foɔ ɛma ama obi biara anya me ho mfasoɔ nti yɛn no ɛyɛ adeɛ baako a ɔmo nso ɛho ɛwɔ me ho ebiem ɔmo sɛ mekɔ a na ɔbusa sɛ deɛ asɛm na meka kyerɛ wɔn deɛ metumi ɛka kyerɛ wɔn nsɛm no bebree na meka emu mmienu pɛ ɛde akyerɛ wɔn ɔmo sɛ obi yɛ polling station executive a wɔn na ɛbɛto aba yi ɛyi yɛn no a sɛ yɛto aba no wie a wɔn ahwɛ a owurɛ bi fi wɔn ade nti a fi sɛ wokɔ na akra problem ne wei nyinaa no wɔn ahwɛ a owurɛ bi fi because ɔno nso sɛ nipa koro yi a wɔn ɛna akɔsa line akɔto aba ɛyi mp akɔ nanso ebi a yare nti yɛyɛ election 2018 no na saa nipa no wɔntumi ankɔntɛste bi ebi a
bu nso kora na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde party no bapa wakɛkɛ party no bapa wawie pɛpaapa ɔsɛmatwe mo
ɔsɛmatwe
bi nso ntoa so bi
ɔkyɛ sɛ madwuma mbɛyɛ no mɛwie obi wɔ hɔ a old age nti wankɔ bio obi wɔ hɔ a ɔstruggle koraa sɛ nka ɔbɛkɔ bio nanso no wɔntumi anwini saa nipa saa no hwɛ Christmas yi a yɛkɔ ɔmo so yɛkyiakyia ɔmo a yɛmɔ mo at least biscuit kakra koraa sɛ mo na mo de party no ɛnam nti no mo nye biscuit ana akokɔ ɛmfa any Christmas no saa nipa no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ polling station executive nti no yɛankɔ ne hɔ yɛaman no yɛanyɛ ne hwee nti saa ex-gratia no mesi saa nipa wei no mo ɔmo na mɛbɛyɛ ama wɔn because sɛ wɔgya party no akyiri die na ɔboa no na ɔno nso otumi de establish no ho otumi de ɛyɛ kiosk kakra otumi de yɛ container ɛnɛ koraa ɛsɛ kiosk no yɛka no container ɛnna otumi de yɛ container kakra anaasɛ ɔwɔ container koraa na sɛ ɔde bɛtɔ deep freezer bi ɛsi mu a na ɔde atɔ nsuo a wabenefit nti bɛn sɛ ɛyie ba community no mu a na ɔno nso tɔn ne blog nti ɛyie ba na ɔno nso ɛnya sika kakra nkonnwa koraa na ɔno nso ɛtɔ nti obi yɛ ayɛ foro no behind nkonnwa na ɔde na ɔno nso ɛnya bi nti wobɛhu sɛ afei party na obi di akyire no wammerɛ ɛno because ɛtɔ mmere bi na wohyɛ party t-shirt koraa na ɔmo akora bu afu na ɔyere koraa bu afu na wahyɛ wadi party akyiakyia ɛdeɛ ɛna wanya saa deɛ no sɛ ɛba atafo pankoro no ɛba abɛyɛ saa ex-gratia no ama wɔn.
na dɔkta kɔni ɔmo ka wei ni nyinaa no wohwɛ response na ɛte sɛ.
response no deɛ ɔmo ani agye ho pa because ɔmo sɛ ɛna meka sɛ the whole Ghana so obi ayɛ bia
ebi nyɛ nsi
nti ɔmo fo sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a atadwe ɔmo ate dɛ ɛwɔ ɔmo constituency
paa so ɔbɛn bɛyɛ adwuma nko adeɛ bisa MPs bi promises so ɔmo de delegate betu kwan akɔ aburukyiri every year bi attend ɔmo ba not even a single delegate
aburukyiri asɛm deɛ menka menka aburukyiri asɛm because sɛ obi kra ka sɛ ɔde wobɛkɔ aburokyire a ɔde woduru aburokyire hitro na sɛ ɔde wowura mu wie a ɛhefa na abɛfa even kyɛ sɛ ɛdeɛ na wokɔɛ na aburokyire
but wo promise na yɛ flexible
yes
easy with me
yes and ɛyɛ doable na 1 year at the end of me term no sɛ me so magye S gratia enti magye S gratia enti no ahenkwa me kɔ nso no me kɔ to Canada Japan honorable and deputy minister of education Adichu was say o kɔ parliament ya na sɛ wonni adwuma obrɛ
wonni kan wa homo
bra ento hɔ a obrɛ na yɛ true so me kɔ parliament no me nsa sɛbe ɛso machi adware
nya ban ne ama position na ɔde
ɛnu nti sɛ meka sɛ me yi deɛ me akora me wɔ na me de asopɔto ɔmo a metumi ayɛ na me bɛkɔ na yi ano ana 4 years ne bɛso na yɛ bɛma sɛ S gratia ɛyɛ 2 cities kura na ɛne mo nso 1 city na nso fa 2 cities na nso fa half ɛnu nti ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ doable
right
ɛyɛ doable
abusia me ne Dr. Emmanuel Obeng ɛyɛ doctor ni a ɔno ankasa wɔn yɛrɛ sabia ɛwɔ Tafo ɛhɔ ɛna wɔsan gyina as a parliamentary candidate hopeful for NPP ɛne no AD nkɔmɔ afei doctor emu nwura but hyɛn nso sɛ wohwɛ o screen ani a numbers bi gu so obetumi abɔmɔden a na wɔde message aba message me ne no bɛdi nkɔmɔ nso on COVID-19 nti message no Tafo ɛne COVID-19 na no wɔde ba yɛbɛkenkan ama doctor atumi ayi ano atumi ɛde ama afei doctor yɛnhwɛ ewiase nyinaa no sisi yɛyɛ akɔ bɛɛ yɛaboro 7 million no I think sɛ deɛ na mebobɔ so wɔ ha sei no ɛsɛ yɛkɔ yɛ nim paa yareɛ no ɛba yɛ ne yɛfa ne sɛ nyɛ yareɛ biara o na ade na ɛsɛ yɛyɛ 5,734,689 ɛba yɛ so ne yɛfa ne sɛ nyɛ yareɛ biara COVID-19 coronavirus no koraa no virus no yɛ virus bɛnya a wokum nipa saa ɛtete wiase saa
wahu virus no ɛno nso ɛka ɛmmoa a ɛde yareɛ ɛba no yɛka mmoa a ɛde yareɛ ba yɛwɔ bacteria wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ virus wɔ hɔ ɛna yɛwɔ ada organisms a ɛno nso de yareɛ ba yɛwɔ yareɛ biara ɛne deɛ ɛde ba na virus wei no ɛno nti na yɛsɛ ɛyɛ novel no kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ new koraa na adeɛ bi yɛ new a ɔn sɛ afei na wɔsua ne suban nti no sɛ woka sɛ wɔyɛ ɔdandan ne ho sɛ yi a adeɛ bɛkyɛn na ɔdandan ne ho sɛ yi woka sɛ ɔdandan ne ho sɛ nti wohyia ne ha a adeɛ bɛkyɛn no na ogyina ho sɛ ɛno nti ɛma no ɛyɛ den kakra sɛ wobɛhunu ne suban paa but ya virus nankasa ne deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ na asan sɛ abɛyɛ new ne nti no ɛne nti na ama ne ho adesua no ayɛ den kakra afei na nipa ɛbɔ mmɔden ɛpɛ vaccines na yɛde aba na yɛno no baabi a ɛtumi atake ɛyɛ wo lungs na ɛfa utokura ɛda w'anum ohwenem ɛna omenem ɛho nti wɔnya ewura wo mu pɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɛhɔ ɛna ɔmo ɛkɔ ɔmo ekudi ɔmo agorɔ na ɔmo asɛ ɛhɔ no mo ɛno nti na onipa biara na sɛ ɛde ne bɛkɔ ne kra akyi koraa na kyerɛ sɛ ne home no nsisi so ansa na nipa ko no akɔ ne kra akyi ne sɛ ebi a ɛkyee no a na ɛko no daabi ɛkyee wo a ɛde wobɛfa ɛkwan bi so saa na ɛkɔ a ɛkɔ atake wo lungs no anaasɛ wahrawa no ansa na ɛde wo akɔ na na wo sɛ ɛba foforɔ no na yɛnyi ne sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ wɔn sɛ biribiara no yɛhwɛ TV a na yɛhu sɛ Chinafoɔ de adeɛ akatakata ɔmo ano na ɔmo nam a na ebinom so started the video bi ba obere channel ni ayi na mono na wɔwe na enoma akora no mu yi no mu yesi channel fo de entina yare ewe ɛyɛ wo mai na ya nwene kora sɛ ebeduru ha na wɔn sɛ obi bɔ drum bi wɔsɛ sɛ wokɔto sɛ biribi aboa bi so nua so a empamo no enkosi obi so ne mu no pam no sɛ onso ye nyinaa yɛ so enko na China fo bra no omo ɛyɛ no sanka yɛnya president ama na to boda no mu ntem paa na nkasa abiri ya no wɔn sɛ nipa a ɛkɔ China ɛwɔ Ghana ha omo dɔ so sɛ nipa a ɛkɔ UK because
kofa
enema omkonso a omu emengo with enipa no bia enipa wo na omu eko enti se wohwe a China ho a eba ye nti no eno ema no beka ye ntem ena eba ye nso ye ntem no asymptomatic way na presenting ne ho nti no ye no enso eka ho nti na spread no e ka say asymptomatic I just say in show any symptoms bia na ka na nka
ba sa mentwa no eno no na emrofo na ntisawo e de na ye ba bibima mu ha de ye de akoye sa because who hwe TV ye free ni ano ye busuafo ho amanone a mo ka che yare na ehu ebu obi a se de osi home kura no se de osi ti so but ye waga na ye nse da hu bi kura se bia wo ti so ne ne tifie da bia se ye de ne de ye wo kura na hu bi mo so kura is of the view say de ne ye de ne nya yare ne bia ne bia yare fufuro bi ne bia ye de ko sesa yare no
say we there on the latter note don't say I is a mental illness eye obi a yen ka se yare da bibia no aya na ye ka se bibi na asi ada se duabo ana yabo no ana se bibi na pe sa coronavirus no ana COVID-19 no ba ye no no omo so show no omo so nim sa asymptomatic no a say anything na omo hihye mask no so mask na hye na kire say obi adwen ho say yare no wo nua ho a no any asymptomatic just say show symptoms anything more almost to start hihye mask no sanam ka wo mo ho na omo hu a enka obi enhye ma say ne wo ho na wo hu no enti wo mfa hokora nansana ubeko to that stage you say you the ventilator ebisi wo so me dey say now the hospital na omo nyina no asymptomatic na wo ho yen ha no na yen te but yen ha no ye ba ye na ye define yare no from their level ne aba yen level no na ye hu ne say say no mo dey ne tie no sa na tie ne no nkire say yen ha na show symptoms no symptoms na dey baby wo ho a show obi wo ho nso a on show
o hwe Ghana cases are recorded so far obeka say ya boy ho modern ya contain disease no na virus no dia dru no say ke bia penifo anto ne ma bia nka ya ko eni muslim sa na
on say ya boy ho modern pa especially your president or the NC form and now or the C form ya one border na okrusi ye no on say okrusu border ulusu revenue bibia ansana other measures so eba na ya kasi rate on say at the rate bibi aircraft is speed bibi aircraft so we share senior China for so omo de yete no December mu edru March no a na edru ya ha no so we hu edipa ekum wo and we hu enipa na omaye infected America bra omo so report first case no so hu the rate the speed edikoye enti ye nya 1 2 3 I'm say you call 12 no and president it take his measures and until sanka president ehwe e ka so yanko enum and I can do better 300 and can rate no okay a bad loss of
But this is almost every day you're recording infections, new infections. If it's not about 98, it's about 125. See, I said a cost row.
Oh, Nico cost one idea. Sir, contact tracing no a bad cost row. He said a nipa 95 year or my infected. Ya record on my canway. Obeheno na omonso contact edo be bree. Enti ebe check wo nyina ebewie no na ibi abeka ho but na eno so nkyere se ye ncheke because I say ye yire ye ho e check because ye check na say obi show symptoms pe I say o man edro on show symptoms I say yetumi e quarantine no said ye be ya ono so emfa enko spread enu nti say ye nya infection no kra no a eye sense ye beka se yen test na eye within na yen test na stella no infection no and na won say I say bola suja no I say ye mpese ye be testing ti no na di na masie sa nti wo bebie ase no na che say ase nyina ahye nti ye de ye wa rehye mu say testing na ye testing no any number na ye nya no e boaye cause rate no eso ati you can rate am see the speed no eso what one say oboase start here no boase ko speed
important
see one say oboase eso ati
but I be most crowns of the view say even parado na obi bet ye voluntary testing no and na ye nya hu
you see voluntary testing eye na die wo mun say me kwa madwe say ye test wo ne na say wo ye negative results na na wo ye negative na ye no kire say wo ye immune to the disease one sign adhere to the protocol na ye kana wo bitimi infect wo dane wo ho a o china bitimi infect enti ni nyina ne say voluntary testing no now so no you adhere to the protocols na ye can sa virus we no and to say HIV virus na ye no the activities bi and na okoye and na when ya sa infection what say we say HIV virus e bia through sexual intercourse this is what testing in there now we negative na se wutu be ka se me nko oba bia ho se me nware ya ana me ne me yire nko anti a me ko ono nko a ho me nko ba bia se ubetimi abo ho through blood transfusion na say contaminated blood e bia be se 1 month kura na onyare 2 months 3 months kura na onyare kura na bia wa hospital e wutu be say we compare HIV in India, so okay, voluntary testing and then now we're negative for now so continue testing a negative for you can abstain. Now what to me I'm making sure say we remain negative.
Okay.
But when so here we are negative and then yeah unko dream no on track now we be a positive because it shows symptoms. Once one more mass, once also a more mass. Social distancing, one family. Into operation, na what I say voluntarily, and then watching up. Do you want to say, oh, my test me a negative, my test me a negative. Now the one says, what's a we negative, and so now we are negative now. Ade chi ye no a no papa track e wo kodwem akonya infection net na wuni ena sa
the members of parliament no kwa mo ye test no e be boa wo mo ama ehunu ese muntakase mienu anya bi chairman say dabi mienu nya bi speaker say mienu nya bi kitado public affairs for parliament say mienu nya bi ba muntakase o dabi e awe mienu anya bi 13 other stars so no a mo yɛ dwuma parliament so enya bi sɛ ɔmo kura na ɔmo attest kura na ɔmo enya bi no sɛ out of 275 sɛ 275 right so 273 ekura no enya bi a ɛno no ɛma yɛ mo safe sɛ ɔmo ahwɛ ɔmo yi a obetumi asa akonya bi the next day
because one say menye now the what travel mo so menye na wa ba constituency no so no ebi wo ho and so it's an say on show symptoms bia oh one nabo na wo chia no oh one nabo na yo kwe oh fa ha on nabo we dan nya on nabo obi be ben na on wakasa what now come kura ye kura na ye nya me ye on nabo kura what now come kura na say e chia so when no ye ade a so bi nya bia and ana obi e negative for and say ohwehwe
okay abusuafo me Dr. Emmanuel Obeng Otafo constituency na me no edi enkomo COVID-19 na afi party mu nkomo akra na edi ho nkomo na message kra mo de aba no so no ma mehwe na menyi bi mfiri ho emfa emma Dr. Moadwe mra message you so pa say Sir Mike good evening, please ask doctor has he ever seen anyone who is infected with the virus once he has the hospital? I don't believe the virus is in Ghana. Nana Yakuma, de Abba, and was when you say virus no Ghana. We say good evening, Sir Mike. I admire Doctor so much, but the truth is that the virus, what they are doing is making the virus scary. Okay, I think. But you were not understanding at all for so. Hospital, hospital. No, will be a Bahama tested positive, and I will be a Bahama more. I take samples. They are called. I'm a woman be that. And now when you crack who be say confirm not to be and how when
you see assets now. I'm not say. Minimum say Otafo municipal. You are tested positive.
Yes, some boy. Can't for me blessing young crew. And then one place be na bigina na trotro driver ni bi no bi din komo. O say o mo yare bi ani ho. So the evidence is that we say offense.
And I make us say you are tested positive. I say you will be 11 or 12. Now say that here, I say you will diagnostic to be a day testing. Because diagnostic to you over you and some be a you busawo wabo wa we say nti no ye suspect wa ye test bi wo ye testing wo KCC nti na ya free team no na ma be take sample na omo de echo na isa say e confidential nti no omo e ka kire wo nko a say de be ya say positive wa na omo de woko na omo de wo yes start am treatment na say a negative nso a na ye eno so ya mawo ekofie enti meka say ane na hu bi na meka say da bi me hu bi ane na hu bi no e kire say ya ma ya suspect ubi owu bi ama lab for na be fa na ko you team ye rapid team a omo esa adwuma no enye lab bia ene ye ho ye test bi it is a suspect obi a na wa free team no na team number
mo ma yare na yihu ana
o debi yare na ebe na ayihu no se say yare no so ya ma no so anye hu a enipa so wo enye hu a egenipa di be di agro na so hwe ho yi a yare no enye hu
okay we every Baba Musa Sepati Mpom was say I'm a delegate. I vote in Otafo. I like the man so much. In fact, he's a good man and you could see he has a good heart. Please kindly tell him he should not ignore some of us because he thinks we are following others. I said, what you include we come now. What you also come on adults.
Oh, you see, menim ne nti a ono okasa on say ebia na ono na on pese oka eba me ho because ebi ofo say o ba bi nti oba mintie no nanso na America no say Christmas yakudi omu nyina bronya ya program
that's what mo Philippa but ye for ba no so boss say delegate so dey be yakudi omu bronya na pa bi mo ma ye na ye ne after say ya for ba na mamu ye ne be decide say o ba come say bronya na mo ye so ye mo hwe mo bronya
mo hu bi na say bronya no wo adaba me hospital na say me di bronya and so say dey ye no nti no saa na etienti wo de enipa no ye from baako ye mo ade enti se onima fa kra na ene na onima fa menwini a ye nyina afina na okon kese no ye ba abeko ye ne NDC fo ene ada parties na aka no na ye ba abeko enti onima fa kra na omra mafa na enkunimudie no ame ye nyina ye dia
Rainbow Kaswa or say Sir Mike greets the honorable member for me. In fact, he has not yet won, but looking at his appearance and the way he speaks, I think he's mature to win. So let the delegate also support him. OCMP.
You see, you know the unabihu. I say yes.
Come say
oh, I say. Yen way mental health there. One hand so for Usha Komwa. Ye ni sa. What is a mental health? What a dark room? I have more and message mental health.
Okay.
On says a mental health. A boy will never be brave. But on air can on say, because oh, Oba way dear, or so be a Yawarino. Not just Oma will be a war. Now, when you can say, me say MP dear, that is a woman be being so a woman who meet me at the MP. Now, I say, or also can say, I'm matured enough. True. Many and women no more echo contest in truly, men are many.
Oh, okay.
Me age, no, me were 51 years.
Wow.
Oh,
we're 42.
I'd be.
Anyone you need?
My first born crowd was 23.
Wow.
Wow. And I'm last born so 16 years.
Wow.
I come last born on the menu. And you know, the make can say, Minna, Menini, ewo. Na say, yeah, I could do Dr. Kuto saying, na ye could be Ashen and India. Necessary, it will be because over time I could to the buy. I said, this age, now. Ono so edi baye ono so beye bia ene o se onko biemu enti mature de true no say maturity no so no enye se tenten ene gram ene de hwe maturity no ewo adwene mu.
If the disease is true, then why are they saying that those who have been dying are dying from other underlying health conditions? Let doctor be truthful to us. This is a strategy by his government to get money from donor partners. Oh. So now Ghana for being in you.
Me auntie SMMA education. So say mo omutie mo sen yen. Me be gina hai. Ebi a mesan ba ha bi mo na ebi a next week and next 2 weeks. Ebi kura na mentumi ama ha bi mo kura ekosi say ye beto abe. Na onu say mo na metumi akacho say yare no ewo honomo. Enti mo mfa eni agro. Now say Argentina say obi enya ebia. Say enkamepe baby a enne no ebe. Oh yakasi obi wo comorbidity a. Comorbidity no eyi kese but nti an say on say yakasi co-worker e say onipa no ye adwuma. Odwuma yi ni. Enti morbidity no so eye yare. And COVID-19 also nti no yakasi comorbidity a say COVID-19 no ono so nya nua baako ewu mu nti yare bi te say hypertension sa wo bi na especially yare a eka o chest wo o chest no ye no na sa wo bi a yare no kontem bi te say heart conditions bi te say asthma ebi te sɛ bronchitis te sɛ yare a ɛwɔ akoma no ho ne wɔ chest hɔ no ɛna ɔmo nso a ɔmo ahoɔden ɔmo immune system ɛkɔ fam obi te sɛ obi a ɔwɔ HIV immune system ɛkɔ fam ɛna nnuro bi wɔ hɔ nso a wɔnom a immune system ɛkɔ fam
nti sɛ ɔda dɔm aha no sɛ woyɛ bɛbuno di a it means na wonni HIV na ne yare bia bi di a it means automatically no your immune system ɛyɛ okay anaasɛ it depends on aduane a wobɛdi exercise a wobɛyɛ ɛna ebi ɛtumi aboost your immune system
ɔn sɛ nyɛ ɔbɛbu bia na ne immune system ɛwɔ soro ayɛ akɔ ɔmo ɛwɔ blue cross foɔ no ho so ɔmo immune system sɛ meka blue cross ɔmo ɔsɛ ɔmo immune system ɛwɔ fam nti no anadwo koraa yɛsɛ wɔ nenam ha yɛ o anadwo ɔsɔre yɛsɛ biribi ayɛ no wɛwɔ nti no ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔyɛ bɛɛbu a na immune system wɔ ɛsoro na mmom no mmammu no ɔmo ahoɔden wɔ soro ɛsen extreme ages no ebi akɔlaa anaasɛ panyin nanso sɛ woyɛ panyin ɔbaabu a ɛmfa yareɛ no ɛni agorɔ because ɔn sɛ kyew a ɛkɔ struggle with the cells na ɛwɔ wɔ lungs no ho no na ɛma wo ntumi nhome yie na sɛ obi sɔ mmene na wo ntumi nhome yie a sɛ woyɛ baabu sɛ woyɛ deɛ obetumi ɛde wo akɔ ɛno nti ɛbaabufoɔ no ma ɔmo mfa ɛni agorɔ
okay well is it important okay Nana Yabedu Sir Mike, please ask doctor how much he is willing to pay before we vote him.
Doctor,
no issue.
Willing to pay say
before they vote you.
And so no more than say omo dem beko eyana. Say seat no me meto. Sanka omo ton di anka me kran so me gusa ne say on beton ne say. But akonya no ye nto. Akonya no eye ade a eso omo di obi a obetumi aye adwuma no. Na nye ne ton.
Mental man. Well, it was about many Dr. Emmanuel Obeng old Tafo and a din komo COVID-19 chichimu odi aba and then vision or doc yamre no eyaso what aroma me ma two opportunities first one no hwe camera no can be picture delegates no we are to Ghana for enough being an expert no e din ne wose ye said the be yare no ye nya bi
okay the edika pa mesre mensada mensayem obia nim se emre no yempanifo de beba time a yemfa to aba no won kai Dr. Emmanuel Obeng
is it 13th May
ye de
13th June
sabre ya ye kasa tio sabre ya kasa president say ye de ban ato social gathering sa
Sunday the party ben for mo yawe ana
me kan party ben for no mesro mo a onipa ye de no ekọ akon a obetumi ato no ene ye de gina twere no ano omo fa me nko na omo de me kwa de ti bia no de maye no watafo no so ade ma me ye ne ye eno nti mesro mo a me ye tafo bia Dr. Koto di aduro no me gina so ahwiri amomo so ehun se omonya MP a ono omote omonya MP a obiti omasem omonya MP a afedi omakuma ato mo yem
right and then the future ade be ma wona wonyi ni hu ebire ni nyindi ebire so akwa bia na se me die bo me hei we die social distance ni nti rebu akwa na obeni pa ne bo na bodu ase onyindi the future be de na wase ye se de be yare no yentete sansa yo
a future me de be ma omo an se wan se yese nyansa ketua nka ne nyansa ne ni hokra na nka eye se wodi ade ne bekyekere wano na wo hwene beda ho de ene nka wan fa kyekere kora na nka ye ti se ono subu obi a ohume ene ko te meka kyere o se omo e de nose mask no e hyehye omano a omo fa hye omano eyi na ba bia esese omo de hye omano bia no no mo use o se onko a wote kai mu a ensese wo hye nose mask no
okay
onko to private care onko a make class was air condition na won so air condition kra na obi enu a all kasa obi e menwa all kasa amebi abegu so anase won so ohun bi nti ayana nti sa wo hye nose mask na se wudi baabi a ɛhɔ no yɛ free kakra na wayi na wo so wanya because one say from a ye dey back out no carbon dioxide na ohun oxygen na se say ya kikire ya no nti no emma yenya oxygen no papa nti so mu duru open place obi ni hɔ a no mayi no mo enso enya oxygen kakra na hand sanitizers no so almost use and hand washing also almost use no more avoid this ordinance especially staircase as my make your more eco hospitals akɔhwɛ nkrɔfoɔ o kɔ konfa noche akɔhwɛ nkrɔfoɔ on say staircase no when no be nsa afa so saa akosi no be so de nsa afa so saa ntiesro mu a yare no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛwɔ dream ɛwɔ hospital ɛwɔ sorry ɛwɔ baabi a nti obi ahwɛ no ho yi na ɔhwɛ ho yi a ye nyina ye betrance na ye nyina betrance after say my MP no no mu nyina de ani gi abehia on MP that's it
for mene Dr. Emmanuel Obeng hospital ne din Trinity Hospital ɛwɔ Tafo na me ne din komo ope MP say MP people be yi no munya uni wie dia say Tafo de MP people nya kɔto aba na ye say won wa wi ni as a candidate na ye say automatically no waboshiri wo dem yaka na yabonten ne yene na din komo delegate motie de waka sanso na yare kodiewu novel coronavirus no o se real ho wan hwe hu ya bitime nya bi unya bi nso a ebia na wo no wan kwansa ma mbokura no hotowa ebitime nso kura no ama obi nso etime ahwe ne nkwati pomoden na protocols ni na no diso na etime mo yentwe homra ye ba amanyofo no wa ha ye no mo ebedi nkomo ebekwa homa na so ene ya park meeting ekoso ensemben ena mo discuss here eba abedi nkomo eba sisia
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawood yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba
right sensan Emma Makwaba emfamra Kumawood TV Sinupi ena abedwafo atena si ayehwe na yetimi Sinupi na yebedin komo Honorable Henry Osei Akoto parliamentary candidate edema NDC Ofurukrum constituency sanso ena Suleiman Sedu Ashanti Regional Secretary edema PNC yenomo ebedin komo nei IPAC meeting ekoso na the NDC ankobi de omo kanyina ne se omo hwe se de yenhye sitie ene mpadifo si ye niam oman Ghana no especially the electoral commissioner omo nti omasiye enti omo ntimi no omo kwatena se obra omo nyentumu se new voter register no yenye de omo ankobi a na omo ede kire omo ne enso se EC no ebe ye new voter register and again meeting omo kro no omo an say da mom a specific agenda omo ko discuss here yare enso abaye fe no COVID-19 omo ko risk of life ibenya mrani adin komo NDC wo case ana se eni kwan se omo kwa park meeting no omo case ana se still na no omo ka se kwan bia so omo ma kwama EC no enye a new voter register ibedi hon komo mama ona abakwa
ya abinia
ara ma bia abakwa de freshness wow what is it Ofurukrum is
Ofurukrum is okay. Ofurukrum is good. Bibi ekwa kama.
Na terrible one okay honorable ma menkwa homa no so ma mene leader and founder Ghana's Freedom Party Ghana Freedom Party ma bia kwa donko and they know meet na se mane ngodin komamra enye no hello ante kwa otenga hello okay hello well honorable mama sa Ofurukrum NDC mede o flyer si ye promo okay mama yesa mensa kanwa enye no e pa cho mo check mama pa Ofurukrum mede flyers ye promo program ya na obi send message Ofurukrum de say MPP nti papa yonya han wo hanam ati say Ofurukrum
Idika mmefa akonya na mentia wa hwefo nyina anyway na obi ka se Ofurukrum de he wa menene nya adwene eno ye wo no adwene ena wache edi ntine ma me kasa Ofurukrum ye typically as you know obi ase MPP but I don't see it like that enye MPP for dia said benye if you akunya juma said oba we amoyani and say member of parliament juma oba be
okay mama me saka mama ekwa dankwa anti akua enye no mama boko de
Yami ado na kuso.
Rade adom ya ho ye pa. Wadaro ma. Nyame adom ya ho ye pa ma me. Na enne electoral commission hyiamu no ukobi.
Ko bi da.
Mo ensembe na mokọ bọ so e wo hyiamu na ase.
Da. Ya ba no. I don't know. I know what you say. I don't know.
And what I want be a little crama ya hefo. Almost the band I ever trade in. The band on the baby. Oh, man, that's it. Okay.
I
Okay. Now, na amanyokuo no yenyantie se ebi ama odike ama jataba ama ndc nso amanyokuo no obi ama sare koye
de bi no se bi no ya cha die no anapa nya wia na wa anapa no ndu ti le ko wi de endi no be ko for de ni wa wa ko na de de ro so ko ya bi ni ya ko bi ni
na wo amanyokuo no mogitum se electoral commission omonye register foforo
aye de ko ta ya che ko na la ko ya ko o ti wo wo bo de bia ko ko aji ya ko e so ti e ta ko le ta ko ti ko ko na e na ho ai ko ta ko
nti se de ekoso ya NDC fo so omonte ase no se wuti fie na wuti akire na wuti a wa hwe ne sei
o mo bia se le fie nto ba ye nto ba le ja de ke o mo je o ni ya nto ba abani ya ko kire e ti so o nto bia e me le ka de ni nto kire e nto ba e ti na so o ha ko de ti e so o ko ti ya ya ko ti ya mo ko ma le ka ba da na o na ni ya ka ti ya de eso tú me dices que no quiero que yo lo sé para que acepta ella no tú me no para que se viera bien para que para que no me dices que no lo sé no sé ni qué es pero tú me dices que eso que
Adia Kumau TV enyumre sinupia bejafo ne yahefo da se pa so nyamra mai yeah no right awuzafo maame akua donko Ghana Freedom Party ene okobi ye be rest studio na ye ne mpanifo ahodo di nkomo utuko no ose Mike yanko ye de yanko me frɛ odike so mentimi yanko me ye mitum baabi yataba ono so ntimi yanko well honorable for krum de no e bra na FIFA apartment de no to asoma me
say na ubusa me
na me busa say e wono dey say a waste of time and say
a waste of time.
Okay,
obi obeka to say waste of time, they are no need work.
Okay,
Ofenkum said that American has predominantly been MPP for that they are no omunya. But you see, one thing MPP has lost it now. The people of Ofenkum no for a long time now am that opportunity.
okay,
Say but the who say the opportunity they've given them no. Omu say a fluke be a sebi and one say me nko me primaries. Yen ko chichi ska. Yen twetwa delegate sika. Yen twetwa delegate sika ya me MP.
okay.
That has been the song of the day. But at the as they say no, MP before him the voters na say nipo omuti Ofenkum can say we will never give them that chance again. We want somebody who will work. It's not about the party who feel move back. Another say we want somebody who can really work, who understands the dynamics of the place. And the BM, Omo who say adwuma na omo de hye eye ye nuanom MPP for no ensa no omo didi agro
Oforikrom
e dey ti dem America sa Oforikrom in Ashanti region is the biggest, if I should, the biggest
in terms of votes.
No, it's the biggest in terms of area, size, population.
Oh, sir.
Yes. It's the biggest in Ashanti region. Na time bia no enam say omode tumi no emma won ntino. Omoji instead of some be control no ma try a lobby aba form abeye adwuma with the electrics no. Enti sa akoye nkantra. The woman no mo fa constituency din ba akopɛ. Common assembly members ko mo ne adwuma sen the MP.
Assembly members omo wo Oforikrom no.
I'm telling you.
Omo ye adwuma sen Dr. Mafo. Ene wasapa.
Meba. Me am tell my assembly man da. E wo Oforikrom.
Okay.
I know what I'm talking. Bomso election.
Bomso, okay.
I know what I'm talking about. So just say, Dr. Mafo, me I won't sit here and talk about it because obi a won him bia nim say, e bia say the American name up be phone line. E wo Oforikrom sisia. And ask of Dr. Mafo say, oye juma na say oye juma. They will tell you. Me, I believe say he is the MP what perform so abysmal.
Wow.
Yes, in the history of Oforikrom. Very, very abysmal. And baby I do no, and baby Oforikrom do. He nipa beba selfless person or the no ba beto amomo. Etie ensem ni no me e wo fam.
But honorable right. Honorable Osei Akoto Henry, PC, NDC, Oforikrom constituency nothing. Mamema Suleiman Akwaba. Sule Akwaba. Sule PNC, Ashanti Regional Secretary. First of all, Mustans ne saying e wo new voter register no. Yeah. So what do you how can I say we am? Just by the way.
Why? You new voter register.
And better who stands and some. Let's have a discussion so. Maybe who stands for the meantime answer. So you know for an answer. Yes.
Oh, it has always been for the old voter register.
You use old register.
Oh, since Charlotte said
I think or come 1 hour free.
I think Mohammed suspended national security.
For now, you
No,
okay, right. You remember register so, but honorable didn't person me in Ashanti region. Apart from baby, predominantly say it be a Muslim area and as a typical farming community. Almost a route for the NDC. Is it possible? Say yes, and IPNC. Is it possible? Say a bit me at 10. Say for the crew. Yeah, they command NDC. Okay.
So the Kaipa 20 more or so, the NDC candidate will be over 30,000.
Oh, for the crew.
Yeah.
It's highly significant. 30,000 good in some areas in this country.
Or maybe in elections.
It's the number no honor. It's in a while being
Okay.
I think said, no long to the all coming. Or the all kind of saying one they are. Perform baby money they are. Then they stand a chance of getting the book.
Wow. Oh, for the crew.
Also, they run under from sir.
Dr. Mafo now.
We got one Cassam 1 year. I ever say when you might be away.
Yeah.
But one other policy.
Okay.
And I said enough from sir.
The or you don't know how you bit me about surprise me.
In fact, because there is a cosmopolitan community, and yet one-sided, and yet says to be the difference between the PNC candidate and the NPP candidate.
Now, I say, Munya candidate, I'm feeling now. Munya. Say,
me now, my positive.
who did Ted? That's our Obraka crowd. But then, after you share IPAC meeting. Course when I say per information that we don't know. Say the man in rain feed here. Now the work and information they say the last week, beginning from the last week in June. Now I ended the last week in July, which is 1 month. And before the of the registration exercise no we say any party be an adwene say on register any problem montena fie enya abro na omutiri mu dia nka mo be ka che Ghana fo ina say ye hia ni voter register am new take
that's you create the support the new voter register the reasons are the ones you are stating so but any church say from so I hear 1992 the best I need to read say PA say betting if say encourage say they come
more support it
yeah support new voter register
but it do say omo register there mo be kwa register
but say so not say they use all the legally approved means to stop it. Not say yeah media because they making mistake that and now what he said that for because even though now we didn't agree with the Electoral Commission then the supporters say it's stolen ballot. But not parliamentary election now can say because I'm Kasa ya boy confidence say that you didn't pay young Konaka Anka Emushi Numa. My Anka PAC, yes, society. But nonetheless, 2020 not better.
Away. For instance, it's an amount of money at
the North Sea.
Okay.
Sisala East.
Okay.
Busa South.
Okay.
Okota down, I say, Foruku is on the constituency and you have the books everything up for the summer.
Foruku?
Yeah, Foruku.
Hey.
Candidates I gave I will do. The new your pompa or grounds. I'll not be surprised, say, work with 30,000.
More lessons now, moving and Mabomu, Yan Pepper Binta.
But why can't they can say, man, I thought that it's not really about just being
the lesson.
Do that ultimate aim. Say, we will. But they are really power without reshaping the policies.
Okay.
Without criticizing the policies in this side. Without letting the men know say, baby, I help with a year and I say, this new voter is a come and say, he is the first political party and shots here, raising red flag. Okay. So there's no need for a new voter register. So, but the woman said, yeah, my man, yes, sky money would do me. And they come up and you also said they need to register. Over 28 million echo into the Larium into a first ask now. They would say they're more than the Suleiman and see their camp. So they were 7 days. But this can never money to ever call me now. But I said, opening the already can say 28 million Indian, 1 million Ghana, you say 10 billion. Say 1 billion where they go to Buduma. So I call you. Okay. And the more they say, the oil, because of the opportunity. But all kind, the posterity is there to judge. But then they also say, come here, I say, who say, a wapaye, Mamiji, why?
Obianeka, another Obianeka.
Oh, push a recent post and Ghana with a year. On right now, I talk about 140,000. Or more big part in this country. But 80% say no, there's no need and you look at it. So the everything is so clear. Okay. Over civil society organization. 18, but about 18, CBB, demand, or man now the tracks now say you evidence about the even as recent as 2018. We invested not less than 4 million Ghana cedis into acquiring biometric devices and refurbishing the current devices for the voter register. So we share like and they say for reasons I am saying, for example, Ghanaians will voter card. Now passport they come as a Ghanaians will want to put a passport. Ghana card you cry and say Ghanaians will want to put their citizenship. Ghanaians will want. There's enough evidence to show that Ghanaians are still holding those cards. But the beauty of all this is that we share the case of the voter ID now, the current one. Less than 5% are those who use the NHIS to acquire the voter ID. less than 5%. Who your research? Let's say error margin less than 5%. So we will see. We research is solid. But not the 5% means it's very concrete, very credible. Well, this earth will have such a register. So the current register is very, very credible. Although I will get a no one can say credible. But
is it one hour no dorsum? One hour no. I didn't register no dorsum. One is so many Ghana for. I will be registered no dorsum.
And the market say less than 5%. So share a problem with that kids now. Afterwards, we have a KPMG for a forensic audit of the computer register.
I'm going to be free.
Oh, I'm going to find this. This is the number about $1 million. And I'm going to pay China. And I'm going to over 60,000. Not on one location, not on two, about 3 locations. In total, 1 million. Your next more over 17 million. So over 17 million electric. Let's say only less than a million. Now, I'm going to tell you what level are you sure?
Okay.
Say, a year Ghana card, new passport. Or more, we can Ghana.
Okay. What is on national chairman? I make a statement. My man focus say BNI CID from Kochino. Say they will resist. They will make sure nobody registers. Is that a plot? Is that a plan? Is that an agenda? By more register no. Say mobile resisting. In what way?
I can't say we will resist. Say even going to court is an attempt to resist.
But that does I don't know what's there.
Oh, of course, it's one of the options. Say we will resist. Let's say I don't know if you are going to attack police stations. The people are worried. The people are worried in our stronghold.
Right. And you have a fair view of it. Wow, Shemi, man, so you be a manatum. I'm more afraid about. We are within the Asante region, but I know say more all over the world. Into new voter register, or we should use the old voter register. For our channel, so bra, WhatsApp plan a group screen and in on a Yam ranking kind M5 M. Mamenko honorable. Honorable, most Mumpany, and I acquire a movie in Obia say Mumpany. Mono. All stands down on Sujina, and I say, somebody I don't have a pattern, say, I didn't think about come I entry, and then the CI am open interpretation from the Supreme Court. All this mean to you.
Very simple. They say, my brother will be by an honor, wouldn't a casa ubusan honor to make the same assertion, say, and yes, Ghana for the donor say, Enya de papa. Kebe bi eku ya be do beba. E bi eku Ghana ya be do. How many months to election? How many months? So few days e ba be raju. So practically we have less than 6 months into the election. E dia prenkwana na do dan ko Akufo eni ni JMS amope o Ghana. E dia amope. The
president, I can say, he doesn't need the EC to win elections. What? When he and electoral commission, they win elections. You see, you might they win elections.
They cast in pain. Actually, they cause organ. Nobody can tell us say the president does not know what he's doing. Given one, no register said you are to about that ya. You will not do down Akufo as a president. Over 1 million votes. Perfect. What did you say? The amount. Gadi baby. It didn't even happen. Huh? It didn't even happen. You will waste your resources. Over 800 million Ghana cedis. You have a shell. These some few months here. You have a shell. I'm a member of your son. I'm a line. How much? Where's the idea? Where's the number first? Where's the work to go through all these translations?
Almost 25 at the time.
Bema, and look at their assassin. Look at their son. This time we are not in good time. Obi and say all over the world, no matter cost of the papa. Obi a born oban, Obi a slow way area abani. Okay. Aside that, now make we say Nana do and now president.
But
is it telling us
in the midst of this
COVID-19?
Some countries are elections, and are we saying say because of COVID-19, you know, yeah, until about December 17th?
No, we are not saying COVID-19 yet.
Okay.
And you know, okay. I'm talking about the voter register. COVID-19 is not ever count. Before COVID-19 came, NDC our stance was the same. Say, yeah, pending voter register. They are only if you say pan. They bloated at the moment when you feel. We can revise it and then move on. But to compile a new one, my brother, it is too much.
So the issue is that
it is too much.
Electoral Commission, and the human as I said, Munye Jumama Ghana, you free, fair, and transparent elections. And I'm saying, come with me first. I'm at ABS and this is who we near. Meet me winning fairly. And also lose fairly. And they say, yeah, a new voter register. Control of the register. So, and your register no be control. Will be a transfers. At the core, constituencies be a yenim. And I want to assess. I say, one a referee and Findia. Yamani gave
and I buy and I come back casting be upper the constitution. That's Article 45 and Article 46.
Okay.
Looking at the roles of the Electoral Commission, such as and the functions of the Electoral Commission. But so when we say the Electoral Commission, of course, yeah, we say Yamia Adoma, EBT, a court to make for the proper interpretation of the law. In Tianu, my meeting can once in the way, and this I it's Yabra. But I dear will be say, register here, who is here, Obianca said Electoral Commission, who can solve the same. Gay woman said, Ghana Sikana, no music count. They do ordinary taxpayers' money. And they quack where then idea. Me Busa say, Yapane or Fancy Brown, ya heavy. Yapane or Emina Bodi appear to be heavy. School down there was heavy.
But we don't need to do these things before we can say, it has a new voter register.
And
elections is also a major way in our democratic dispensation now.
And I can also tell you, say, Yase and Congo throw we as an Yababi. Mammy Musa Wananu ya referendum here, the 6 bridges, Sibeka, voter register by the Kotua. Assemblyman Abayatono, some few months back, the whole country, they were registered at the Kotua. Are they telling us it's not credible? The elections that took place, then you're credible. I won't pay voter register will be control, one air control. We have given you that mandate, work with it. But and working with it, every man may know is Sikakana and Uganda. Now, I also need dinner, they be a couple of Bissia, no one need a supplement here budget. Yes, I'm questioning with you. It doesn't make sense. For me, it doesn't make sense. Oh, the Kuba no kind of price only. A dear pan is your own prices are registered, young Kotu, young Shino, young Tonchini. Now, maybe no, yes, Uncle Salah. Yes, Uncle Tree. Now, what is the probability to say if you in 17 million annual, you control with free, you bit many sample put in a crab.
Because on your couple.
Wasn't that where you call a couple 17? For me, Unsa, because you know, a choir MPP are buying in fear me and Sadiko Kina or the Ghana for a faso, and some can say or catch a Ghana for a ne, who that would cheer who be a who and Mrs. Swap, what I can say that Wakutumo. Who be anywhere, why already say. The MPP can remember the TV. Omo say as an election when I happen, it's as a do or die, win or break. You are anti-trade, you are anti-trade before far. It is a Ghana shit. Rather no, depend see the NDC the other parties here come. Omo tie, and I before two trouble money say Omo tie Omo say no me control the new voter register. They are no more never buy. Meanwhile, they used to voter register, they can send them see kind. They are conducting elections. They are unit committee over 33,000. A year assembly members be over 6,000 in the country. One day, same machines, same logistics. Be and say, "Young continue in Romania." Who say you are a but yeah, so far as NDC on you be Gina Brane ni akoma Ghana for because you say Ghana for do na let me know PSC Ghana Ghana web that post no conduct here so what people
and no there
neighbor so what
sure
Ghana web NDC in the control and PSC in the control Ghana for you now be a team
kwa okacho ni aso chale pu bi koso ha nti bo wade na
na be before no to no go ko fam mo me
I mean kind of kakra am for Eddie Abba Citizen Francis Eddie about say in 1995 the NDC boycotted IPAC under Dr. Afarijan. So if the boycotts an IPAC meeting under Jane Mensah, it is no news. IPAC deals with a quorum, and once a quorum is formed, the meeting will go ahead. Decision taken binds all, whether present or absent. Nana Kwame Mensah Bunsu Shaka Afontotroso also right. The word boycott is no big English for the NDC. We don't even need them in Ghana, so it is better they boycott the register as well as the general elections, whether or not new register is imminent. For more, for Nana to do more. Regards to Honorable Ohineba Kusia Piantotroso Hene Apeja Ntotroso him man hene Apeja hene. Okay, ono de aba enonom. Naomi also writes, NDC boycotting IPAC meeting is not okay. I think what they are now almost the same with this. Such barbaric attitude has been part of them since. They only stay at IPAC meetings when they are in power. How can each people be given the opportunity to govern? Such people should be given opportunity to govern Ghana again. Never. My regards to Ernest Yakumi and Samuel Nana. Okay, Nana good of some of their comments. NDC have seen another disastrous defeat coming their way, and so they are looking for easy. They shouldn't. My regards to Ernest Yakumi. Okay, Robbie Fashion, DHMSO Golden Hotel. It is good listening to others. It is also good to seek advice from others, but it is very dangerous to listen and seek advice from the NDC because they are corrupt, incompetent, and arrogant. Honorable Hilda and incoming MP for Kwadaso and lawyer John Kuma Ejoso, my regards to them. Okay, Omo Ebeti. We say if you put NDC and COVID-19 on the same scale, say Mike, they will all weigh the same weight because they have similar characteristics. COVID-19 is a problem in Ghana as well as NDC also a problem in Ghana. My regards to Dr. The Constitution, they Abba and so no right. Asemo told everyone well, keep your messages coming at me to me and Kinkai Emfa Emana Emilia de Abba, I think. Okay, Emilia and so de Abba, Maminika and Sami Boachi Asaman Kesi or say now the inconsistency of the NDC and their double standard attitude has come to reality. Why are they now asking Electoral Commission for their training manual? Say Uchi Koko Yedine Neme. Okay, nobody in Ghana here can prevent the EC or stop them from compiling a new voter register. As regards to Honorable Sintim Abwaje of Asaman Kese. Okay, Honorable Diode Abba and so and on. Okay, OPK goes also right. OPK or say visionary and competent Nana Addo came at the right time to save us from COVID-19 because if Mahama and NDC were in government, all of us would have been dead by now. And new register is coming like Akai to replace the ECOWAS register. So 4 more years for Nana to do more. Or say Nana Atapoku Goso Ankobia Hene and Goso Continue. Watch out, Goso for a chamo. Nana Yao Sebe also write from Kasua. Say, Mike, good show this afternoon. Please tell the NPP to keep quiet. We cannot live in a country with these arrogant politicians. They think Ghana belongs to them alone. Never. We will show them boot for boot. Right. Honestly, I don't know. Okay. Teacher Kujo Tepa also right. The EC has chosen to meet with IPAC to inform them and educate them on the upcoming voter registration exercise. The NDC can decide not to attend, and nobody will plead with them to attend. There will be a loser. Okay, let's see. Masaudu Bantama also right. Let us thank the government and the president precisely at this critical time for tremendous measures that are lined up to ease the suffering of Ghanaians. We are not in normal times, and let us accept the little that government is doing. We shall come out victoriously. Regards to Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng, DC Jacobu Swachaupa. Emilia also from Aswase writes, does the EC really think about us? I ask because the EC led by Jane Mensah is taking sides with a particular party all the time, and this baffles my mind. I encourage all lovers of democracy to say no to EC and its new voter register. Greetings to all social democrats. Okay, and also the I don't know. Right, Sandra. For now, moya de yo. Rebecca says, "Musu says a crown. Easy sort of way. Court where we more GDSA beer, and this the cocoa to Nebia. I prefer beer from Maba." Okay.
And more so, man, there's one particular trend I saw there. Before 2009 election, okay, I said the EC voter registration, the court, a part of campaign, in the picture. And this court, we say, we can use both. NBC. After 2004 election, the black and white passport picture campaign, with IS, NPP, 2016, look at Ramadan case, this same voter register, NBC. So, voter register, the way we did the part there, we use.
We would the power. We use election.
They say about the MPP is more common. Okay. I'm not saying other political parties supporting the EC. Okay. Apart from the MPP.
Okay. Right.
So, and it's only let's say, only to the extent say, political pushing is a man with a new voter register.
Boycotting the IPAC meeting by NDC, not a year.
Oh, but I'm choice. The PNC, your calling, represented by National Congress.
Yeah.
We do all know, besides the actual letter, Edama is, and even how you conducted this particular IPAC meeting. In badges, political parties are more than the A60. Not party by the 8 in the morning, 18. Meanwhile, the protocol on social gathering.
Yes, no more 25. I listened to.
There was 16 political parties. Now, easy officials that can mention.
Say, on day, when say we know, invite other social, what do you call it? Civil society. Yes.
Oh, only percent of me.
Okay. But to observe the protocols, some can money.
Because this is the case, look at your body used to at that meeting to find out something with respect to the meeting.
Okay.
Because the minute in the morning and the minute in the afternoon, it's not tally.
Okay. Let's hope that this one the crow. I think message is now about more. I'm making Kevin Farmer. Was it good evening and God bless you for your good works. I am Nana Ajima Insia from Bomso. Aligned with NPP, but I can speak with authority that Honorable Osei Akoto will win the next elections, not on partisan basis. we are ready to call for the development of Orukrum and not the sustainability of NPP as a political party. Nana di no. Well, Nana message in Makai. We will say the government have to think about us, and beside that, the COVID-19 has blocked away from going to church or mosque, and now he should let us use the old ID cards by Milito from Tafo. Milito dear, and so I don't know. We say good evening, Sir Mike. Greetings to Honorable Baba Atta. The truth is that he is winning the elections hands down due to the abysmal performance of Dr. Mafo and especially the love students of KNUST. Have developed for the love students of KNUST. Okay, have developed for Honorable Henry Osei Akutu. This upcoming election will be cool top, even though he is working hard. Okay, let's say a cool top, but Obojuma. Okay, the government have to think about us. Besides, okay, I think I've read your message already. We say, Sir Mike, you do all, keep it up. From Fabian Sefi Anyaso, from Sefi Anyaso. Okay, Emilia, once again, right. That's the NDC rally. Emilia Madi Kayakai, or the other land is it. Honorable, Mintu Akra, Mobile Koto Senka, Mukutia, more input Balanka Modi about, we become Anka, more input of the Bacono. A bit me as a son, Isino, Adjuneka, Credi or Cambiso. Now, Manco, dear, how can you look much you? I don't know, so no, it didn't easy for some better.
Somewhere there, one can wait. What can go on so? Only is now what can go on. You see, if we ask CSC and Ken, which are was a day. I run in. No more is here. Or Musa, oh, good baby on. There's no problem for out to November. No problem for out to November. Okay. I did a hair costume. One Casafra with you, no Casafra. If I should ask you, and you say we who's number, who is a new or old voter register? Made the America. You know, I say a control but December 7th. Voter register over then I. Una mammy and you are, but we fear now on only she corner. Oga go far, I can't the trouble of Cocofa, is a number. Yes, I'm put to say, if I'm fooling through all these frustrations in you. All right, let's have our young man in tune. 0200-603-602 0200-603-602. So right, Dr. Emmanuel is the right candidate to replace Dr. Akuto for the Pankrono seat. Let the delegates not be deceived by anything beyond this good, God-fearing, affable and kind-hearted man. The age of the other candidate is not the issue, but experience-wise, Dr. Emmanuel is unmatched. Chamanenusa Hefra Asante Regional Boss Eddie Odiaba no sorry said you can't late bad. Good evening, Sir Mike. I like your program very well. In fact, you are performing. NPP and EC are like coronavirus. They want to kill Ghanaians. Ofusuhine Ampofo Libya and Odifro Odiaba. Okay, Ofusuhine so Eddie I don't know. Okay, please a voice. Okay, right. Wait me afre na afi yaje wadwe ntre oba na walload the volume of your TV set ni atonka 0200-603-602 minti to so madaro so today na make can say enye to say ya sorry afia say but is our civil rights what you say okay enye by force in china meeting e metan say meeting because NDC that dwimu ni gidie mu ni hu say nya de papa e for Ghana for and Obian will be to Maka Ghana for us. Okay. And this is some of us. I didn't understand from yet my silly pain. Actually, easy. They are not done go for to say. The more and mass movie. Okay. Ghana, there's so simple if you night. James said Ghana, any easy national for some short time. All travel comes so good. Okay. So they say, send the phone call, you are cannot. Sounds on. Sana compose India, put your anchor. So, Ed Marco retirement and their retirement. Let me tell you, their retirement. She should get ready to exit the seat when we are coming. And we are coming 2021, yeah. Yes, we don't do Mani Mahama.
strict.
My bill line at 0200-603-602. In fact, EC should listen to the good people of Ghana. People are crying, promised and failed government. Do Tapoli, Libya, do Yachapa from Libya. Okay. I will maybe me a foul. Now, I feel yet me Eddie Comaswa. Yes, it will be, yes, sir.
When you say IPAC meeting, unlike previously, we have the IPAC. And before EC taking final decision.
Okay.
And then now they didn't kick out. I thought that it meeting from that national level to regional level to even district level.
Okay.
And some easy, basically a final decision. So idea of being a constitutional instrument, I mean the ratification by the Parliament of Ghana, and some of the core Parliament of Ghana ratified. It went to Wakame or Tim Biao. But when again, what I call that? Meeting Mukotinasi, because the person beings. Because some meeting they open or obeying via their Parliament, somewhere 16th of March.
Yeah.
And the 25th of March, hello?
Okay, Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, come out TV,
Just a little bit, but we can't team. I'm going to team to say, I go for it. I'm going to team. I'm going to team
Okay, yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening, my friend, free NTO.
Sema, fully accountable.
Kaboro minti onyumre.
Yedi ka make their honorable, every Australia for Babata. Think I mean, all Betty, any development, I bomb to send the new Papa. Sema, young for electoral committee. Now, a different class, saying that what the Juma will be a gentleman in a Juma, and I will say, Zama, to see how to see the way. Camera, our father, one year to me. That's what you come and the wall of one, but what's what the show of my wife, you got that. If you want a man, I'm in the baby town, why every Ghana. I be a onion get people, my friend, when you are and maintain that and so because I say, and I will let you. And you know what the cat said. Kids and our password are done to the about to come to the man. I can block some, and we are crap in the Ghana. This is so. That's how we are with the man who are broken. Then you saw you. I can't go over my way.
All right, come on, that's it. Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm more about the Panama producer. Nigeria, and that's the channel. Now, Mr. Henry, we need to for the entire deputy minister, the education. But what's your secretary, Salami? I mean, I'm not sure on the Ghana. Kaka make an affair. Who is the Pompolina Nado? The name Jamaica. How many Ghana for home? We are moving Ghana for what? Sabi or Hawa? And we put some of the to Medina and Chapter. Near one central for the Benin Yama Kamana too. I saw from paying from that Kamana too. If you say DC, Muhammad and check with Russell and the celebrating church and back again on Kababa. Muhammad Brown was to show you my opinion and also for Benetry, I have for Benetry, and then I let you for the bell, be a kind of them. Who is the Jamaica, Uncle near Benetry, and Botsman, Uncle, Nessa be some near Manian, on to shut together for. Now, the America said the Korean Cannon too. Sanka conference them every day and this weather.
Okay, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Why am I doing free NTO?
Mr. Sherry, you can Martin.
Right, Emila, me tell you, Ray.
Sir Mike, I'm in here about your form of one more in fact, yes, I did a war,
me man kosa me man kosa many them visitor whether new register whether old register NPP Kenya omobeko 2020 omobeko na omokono this is the no one in Ghana for every year not 2020 who go back and me say a cafe dear 49 Kenya never cafe say anything you na one wataba if you say
Emile Daspa hello good evening
hello good
evening free
cafe
what's a friend
Sevi area
Sevi area yentio okay
jebe ko apa uyama atu kile atante
Fibe fache mse bia wo no sahwi munye network na mo yi bo ho mai good evening hello good evening good evening free
me too in understanding
okay chama yenti
yeah me try me I think we na me put that in my family me too me ana also for curriculum yeah so me family if you na we ta kai na to fashion very popular yeah me there now we are in this of the area I want to yeah, I know. I'm not going to do it. Anybody who wants to do it, I'm not going to do it. But when the man said, when you see it, and you're back home.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. 20 years now that we have had the NPP represent Oforikrom constituency in Parliament. Interesting. Okay, good evening.
Good evening. I don't feel Dobonto.
Dobonto means you, good evening.
You are probably quite well. You about to open this and say, even the few hundred will say, I didn't get to one the sanitizer for me a day. 8 year polling station, I had to be back. I mean, one person in register that. I'm not doing here and no register.
I'm for last caller in a good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay. Hello. Do another lower the volume set of your TV now into you.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We need to have free.
Patrol free the quiet.
All right.
And I say, and you marry or the away of Mr. Mike. Maybe the person may come and say, and this is for the mutual boycott I can't meet me. Megidi say drew share your registration time now on the boycott. To almost have here and can't show on call for the fair. Drew her, you bet you are into Bianco. Maybe a money and send you Ghana card, but Montpellier for Kayano. We are not force.
Okay.
What to our moon? What a bit more.
Okay. That's it. You have tried this NPP for 20 years. Why not trying Honorable Henry Osei Akutu? Victory is assured. Fredo, ADRC, and our day every other. But you need to be fair, Frephobia, Ebu. We saw every Kabore, recent Ghana web polls suggested over 86% of Ghanaians kick against the new voter register. Why are we so much choosing votes over lives? Best regards to Honorable Henry Osei Akutu. Well, Honorable, you're popular. Oh, you're popular. Jitunzo you're popular. Platform is yes, you know, is
a
okay.
They lay down there, Swaba.
Okay.
So what I say.
Right. You want to can see a call. I don't know the Ebeja Ghana for especially for the crew.
Very simple. And one is for Nagasaka. A minute do a menace. You need a change. Very simple.
Right. And when I do Emmanuel song, we need a change, and a change, you know, so okay, we're NDC, so what is a month change, you know, and go NDC side, right? Honorable Henry Wasako to a parliamentary candidate for the constituency for the NDC and Abekayo. So, you're going to cry. Good.
The going to say, we are no more new voter register. Even though we use all available means to resist it.
Okay.
There will be a man between a genuine massa and Masodi, a baby meeting. But say, and to me, they are all register. Mistake can be 1992. Then they say,
I was saying, PCB this time.
I won't go for the big to wire condom.
I'm out for the fro. I'm out for fro. I was swimming. Sebra. Right. Asante Regional Secretary Edema PNC, People's National Convention Party. My Ghana, Suleiman Sedu, and Motene Kasono Subeka on 8 me a day. My Senason, Sinyami Admo Chanopa, 7 to 9, you repeat 8 me at the mount. If you are not persevered yet on dear bar, I promise you, there is the most hottest late afternoon TV show in Ghana. Obit me the aba, na Yabomoderu et me at the amount. Meaning, Eddie Michael Nana Adumakon with me a friend say my producer Bernard Ade Sanso and executive producer Sam Dakus. Camera no originally try camera Emma Ushibi Kobe Frank Sanso na production manager Uchinozo MCR Fono Loretta and Afi Augustina DJ Lofty and Queen Agent so Ebwai. I may have much now. Ebesensia Dakram.
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe Amansane winna no baby